A lot of people think of Aquilegia as plants which the nursery grows in pots and sells in pots, but actually they're a plant which was very happy to naturalize themselves. Here we're standing outside the old village school, and we've just cleared off this border to redo some stonework, and up has popped a whole range of different Aquilegia in 3 or 4 different colours, and they've come up because the debris and the shrubs that were here have been cleared, and because Aquilegia thrive and germinate where there's bare soil. There must have been Aquilegia grown here probably 30 or 40 years ago. The seed has lain dormant, and suddenly, with a bit of light and a bit of bare earth, up they've popped. And the great thing about Aquilegia is as soon as they start to finish flowering, the growth and the leaves die away. They tend to do that even more so in pots. And then you're left with the seed heads. And you can see here the swelling seed head filling up with a load of seeds. And probably in about a month's time, that seed head will pop, and the wind will distribute the seeds back onto the bare earth. And once you get Aquilegia established somewhere in your garden where they can germinate away naturally, and they'll germinate this year and form tiny little plants which will then grow again next year. The seed may even germinate this year on the bare earth if it's wet enough, or it may come up next spring. And those plants will take a year or two to get to flowering size like this. But basically, you can naturalize Aquilegia anywhere which is reasonably bare, and you can grow them with other things. You know, up has popped a very well-known seaside coastal flower, Centranthus ruber, just the sort of plant you'd see in a wild garden. And you've also got forget-me-nots coming up here as well. All the product of something that was grown here in this border many, many years ago, and suddenly allowed to rejuvenate and thrive. So if you're growing your Aquilegia in different colours, you know the seedlings are all going to be different colours. By all means, collect the seed, create a bit of bare earth somewhere else in the garden, spread them when they're ripe, gently rake them in, and you too could have a lovely bit of wild border, wild garden in your own woodland context.